Yo, stop scrolling! I just unboxed 5 of the newest VR headsets and, no cap, one of them literally made me question reality. And yeah, you're about to find out which one. But can you guess it before I reveal? Drop your guess in the comments right now. Alright, first up, the Meta Quest 3. The box. Sleek. The packing. So eco-friendly. It almost guilt-tripped me for eating steak last night. Inside you get the headset, Touch Plus controllers and, wait for it, chargers that don't look like they were designed in 2005. The headset's thinner than my patience in traffic, and get this, it's rocking a mixed reality pass-through. LCDs look crisp, and honestly it fits so good, my head feels like it's getting a 5-star spa treatment. But then, Apple Vision Pro. Unboxing this thing felt like opening a box at the Apple Store and having a choir sing Hallelujah. There's more bands and cushions than my entire gym wardrobe. The build? Aluminum, glass, and a display so sharp I could probably see my own bad decisions in 4K. No controllers, just eye and hand tracking, so I can finally live out my Jedi dreams. Until the external battery yanked me back to reality. Still, luxury AF next. PlayStation VR 2. Sony went full gamer mode with this packaging. The headset, Sense controllers, headphones, the works. OLED, HDR, haptics and eye tracking. This is a major glow up from the OG PSVR. Only catch? You need a PS5. So if you're broke, sorry fam. HTC Vive XR Elite. Yo, this is the transformer of VR headsets. It comes in a travel case and can switch between full headset and glasses style. Flip-up design, pancake lenses, super lightweight. It's like the Swiss Army knife of VR. Gaming? Productivity? This thing does both and I'm here for it. Pimax Crystal. The box is huge, the accessories are bougie, and the headset itself looks like something Tony Stark would build. Resolution's insane, 2880 x 2880 per eye. Swap the lenses, customize everything, and the field of view. Chef's kiss. Downside, it's so big you might need neck day at the gym. But for hardcore PC VR, this is the one. So unboxing these headsets is legit, like opening portals to new realities. Whether you want the all-in-one Meta Quest 3, the Bougie Apple Vision Pro, or the absolute unit that is the Pimax Crystal, there's something for everyone in 2024. But now, I gotta know, which headset would you want to try first? Or are you still rocking Google Cardboard? Hit like if you love VR, subscribe for more tech chaos, and seriously tell me in the comments, which one do you think is most worth the hype? And if you caught the hidden meme in this video, you're officially a legend. Thanks for watching. Wait, did you see that? Rewind and check again.